Another day, another HMX switch, this time from Akko. The Akko mirror brings you that true OG HMX clack, but at an even lower price. The mirrors can be found at a low price of 26 cents a switch, or Amazon Prime offers them at 33 cents a switch. See how they sound.